Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another mobile app tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw all of your money from Robinhood and close your account. I think some people get quickly involved in investing before the full learning process. They hear that they can trade stocks and make a lot of money, so they sign up for Robinhood, put some money on here, lose some money, and then maybe it's just not for them. So they want to get out, they just want to move on from it. And to do that, we need to know how to withdraw all of our money and close our Robinhood account. I have other detailed videos on this as well for how to withdraw your money and how to sell your assets, sell your stocks, sell your cryptos. So if you need a deeper dive, definitely check out those videos on my channel. So the first thing to note is right under this chart, you're going to see buying power. That's basically your amount of cash on the app. And you should be able to invest with that or withdraw that. Now, if you just sold something, you're gonna have to wait a few days for this buying power to become active to withdraw. So first thing you would need to do is come into your cryptocurrencies or stocks, whatever you own on the app, and you're gonna need to sell that. So click on that, tap on trade, go through the process of selling this. Remember, stock exchanges are only open Monday to Friday during business hours, so you need to take that into account. But go ahead, sell all of your stuff, and then that should go right into your buying power here. But like I said, you might have to wait a few days after that transaction for it to actually become available. So now that you have sold everything, you have your money available, you want to go to the profile icon in the bottom right corner, tap on the menu in the top left, and then you want to tap on transfers, and then you want to tap on transfer money on the top. You're going to choose an account. It's probably going to be your brokerage account right here with your withdrawable money at the top. And then you want to choose where you want to send that to, so just like your checking account. Then it'll say the amount of money that you're available to withdraw right now. So like I would have $10, so I just type in $10, tap review, and go through the process of withdrawing this money to my bank. Then once that money is withdrawn, we can go back here into the menu, scroll down, and you're going to see one that says settings. Go ahead and tap on that. And then there at the bottom, you can deactivate your account. So just tap that big button and go through the process of closing your account. So there you have it, how to withdraw everything from Robinhood and close your account. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.